If I click 4 on my keyboard or I go to the integrate tab here, you'll see that there's some different options to integrate this. You can turn on email notifications and put a series of comma separated email addresses here, which will send email notifications. You can also embed it as an iframe or as a widget. If you are pasting it into Notion, for example, you can just use this URL here, which is the embed URL. And then you can also set up webhooks. And so here you could click add new webhook, put in the webhook address that the webhook's going to be sent to. And then you have two other options, which are the raw inputs, which is what is the data that's actually input into the form, or you have Attio values, which is actually going to look at basically converting the raw data into Attio ready fields. So for example, your name is first, last, full name in an Attio object, whereas the raw input would just show first and last name. Likewise, the Attio values for location would be an actual coordinate that Attio will accept, whereas the raw inputs could be whatever the user typed in. So once you select which one you want here, you can also add custom headers if you want to do some kind of security key or validation, and then you can click save webhook, and that will actually save the webhook. So that way, every time this form is submitted, it will call this webhook endpoint.